I am Rajnandini Saha and I scored 96.2% in my class 12 board examination from the Reality Public School, Chandamari, Kokrajhar. First of all, I would like to thank all the hardworking teachers, my parents, my elder sister, Ms. Trishna Saha, and myself for believing in me. And a special mention to my class teachers, Ritanjali ma'am, Ekta ma'am, Kalpana ma'am, Priyanka Vismatari ma'am, and Daimu sir. Because of their support and encouragement, I have been able to do this good in my class 12th examination. And for the upcoming board candidates, I would like to wish them all the best. And for achieving like 90% above, you must study regularly. Like you must do self-study regularly apart from the school hours. And because consistency is the key. So I would like to wish all of you all the best for next year, and thank you.
How many percentage protected?
How much I got? I got 96.2% in my class 12 board examination, and I scored 100 out of 100 in psychology. Thank you.
Board examination. First of all, I would like to thank my parents. They stayed with me every time and they supported me even when there were ups and downs. And I would also like to thank my teachers. I would like to thank my teachers the most. They guided me, they helped me, and they stayed with me all the time. And I would also like to say one thing to the juniors again. Consistency is the key. If you stay consistent, everything's going to work out. There are times that you will feel that you are not able to do some particular things, but you don't have to give up. You have to stay focused and you have to believe in yourself that you will make it up. You will do it. And also I would like to thank my principal ma'am and vice principal sir. They stayed with me and they supported me. And once again, I'd like to say one thing to the juniors is that if you try, you can do it. Thank you.
आंनि नामा शान बसुमतारी आङो क्लास 12 आर्ट्सनि स्टुडेन्ट आङो क्लास 12 नि बोर्ड एग्जामाव आङो 90% लाखिनानै पास जानो हादों आङो आंनि बिमा बिफाखौ आङो थेंक इउ होनो आंखौ सापर्ट खालामनायनि थाखाय आङो आरो आंनि टिचार्सफोरखौबो आङो ग्रेटफुल होयो बिसोरो आंखौ फोरोंबाय बिसोर आंखौ बुजिनानै आंखौ सापर्ट खालामबाय बिसोरनि अनगायै आङो दिनै मोजां पार्सेन्टेज लाखिनानै पास जानो हादों गोजोन्थों 90% पास जादों आर्ट्सआव नेक्स्ट स्टेपआ दा आङो डिग्री फरायनानै आरो आवगायलांनोसै
माबायदि नैबे पाब्लिक रिलेटिभ पाब्लिक स्कुलनि इडुकेसनेल कर्सखौ
बे स्कुलनि इडुकेसना बिराद मोजां बिसोर टिचार्सफ्रा फोरोंनायाव